Hey, it's OGVP. Look, we got some short reels today. You understand me? It was on sale, so I had to give me a couple packs of them. I'm gonna show y'all what I did with them. You understand me? Get you some carrots, onions. Just slice the onions. You ain't gotta dice them all that. You just slice them in little circles. The carrots. Make sure you peel them. I hope I don't have to tell y'all to peel these carrots. Peel them. Seasoning bad boys. I'm not telling y'all what I'm seasoning with, cause y'all be stealing everything off TikTok. Season it with some seasoned salt, pepper. You use some garlic powder, onion powder. You know that works. Get you some flour. Pat that flour on there. It's gonna help with the crust. It's gonna help kind of start the gravy at the end. You know what? You should get that. Sear them bad boys. Shh. You understand? That's how it's the sound when you put it in the skillet. Shh. You understand? Make sure you got that good color. You know how when you watch the Food Network, they be telling you to get that good. Look at that. Zabadat boom. See how that magic happened? See how that conduction of that heat on that stove and in that pan? Well, this is a pot. You know, I knew it was going to have to be brazen, so I'm using one pot. Red wine vinegar, or you can use red wine. I'm not doing that. Don't put that much, you understand? Because it can make it real stout. Make sure you simmer that out. Make sure you simmer that, reduce it to where it's barely anything in there. Get you some beef broth. You about to braise this. That's the correct term for you. About to braise these beef or these short ribs. Get you a bay leaf. Do not worry about the little stain on there. I don't even know what that came from. Saffron. That's the special ingredient. But this shit is high. That saffron is like $18. Get you some rosemary. Put that in there too. Get everything coated, covered with the broth. Now you about to put it on boil. Then you're gonna reduce it. Let it simmer for a couple hours until it gets fork tender. You know how it go. Bam. You see that? And you put it over some rice, and there you go. OGVP, take this walk.